Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the Odoo Dynamic Form View Manager module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. In the Apps section, make sure our module is installed. Now navigate to Sales and open any quotation. Click the Settings icon, then select Form View Manager. Here, you can create an action type such as a field, tab, or button. For this demonstration, let's create a field. Enter the technical name for the field. In this case, I'm creating a field named Age, where we will store the user's age. The age field will be of the integer type. Next, select a view where you want this field to be displayed. In this case, I'm selecting the sale order form, as I want this field to be visible only on the sale order form. Finally, specify the position where you want the field to appear within the sale order form. I want this field to appear after the invoicing address field. Based on your requirements, you can also mark this field as required, read-only, or copied. For this demonstration, I'll leave all of these options unchecked. You can also configure access rights to control who can view this field. In this case, I'm selecting Administrator, so the field will be visible only to users with administrator access. Users with the portal role or other internal users will not be able to see this field. Now click the Create Dynamic Field button. As you can see, the field has now been created and accepts integer values. For example, let's enter 78 as the user's age, then click the Save button. This is how you can create a dynamic field. Similarly, by clicking the Settings icon and then selecting Form View Manager, you can also create tabs and buttons based on your requirements. Let's create a tab named Other Important Info. Next, select the view where you want this tab to be displayed, and then configure the visibility group and access rights. If you want the tab to be visible to all users, including customers and internal users, you can leave the access rights field blank. After that, click the Create Dynamic Tab button. As you can see, the new tab has now been created and is visible on the form. Similarly, you can create buttons based on your requirements. To view all the elements you have created, open the View Manager. Here you can see the total number of fields, tabs, and buttons that have been created. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching,